Oh my god, it looks like my head is bleeding and having blue blood. I'm an alien!
Hello, welcome back to Gritty Potato. Today I'll be dyeing my hair again. If you haven't seen how I bleached my hair and dyed my hair at home, do click above for the video link. So I went from black to orange and now to this bronzy color, and then I'm actually not very happy with this orangey color, so I wanted to dye my hair a more ashy tone. That's why I picked up these two products. One is in metallic and the other is in dusty. So today I'll be using this product, this dusty ash color on my hair. So hopefully it shows an ashy brown color instead of it being maintaining in this orangey color. At the end of the video, I'll be discussing with you my verdict on the product and whether I recommend it or not. So stay tuned! So this is what is inside the box. They also provided a cape and gloves, and they have an instruction booklet. So first up, I'm going to mix the items in. Then gently shake it in a horizontal motion, not vertical in case it spills. So the instruction mentioned to shake it 20 to 30 times. That's it. I can proceed to use it. So I'm going to work on the hair on the top as how the instructions mentioned, and then slowly proceed down. After 2 weeks, I see a bit of a black hair roots growth, so hopefully later the hair dye will be able to cover it up, so you can see over here. So let's get started. I have the palm over here on the flat surface. So this is how it looks like. I've used many other hair dyeing products, especially the ones from Lise, and most of the colors end up turning orange, so I'm hoping that this product doesn't cause that to happen. And also, actually, can anybody tell me why do I need to start hair dyeing on top? Because it seems like I can't get the product properly on my hair. Gosh, I think I should have dyed from the bottom up instead. I think I'm gonna do some emergency help. I'm gonna partition my hair. The color of the bubbles are not very consistent, so I'm a bit worried, so I'm shaking it up a bit more before proceeding. And it's a purplish lilac color. So hopefully it turns out ashy instead of being purple. So just by a few applications, I find that using the bubble foaming hair dye is a lot easier, but can get a bit messy if I happen to drop the foam bubble. But yeah, it's very easy to apply as compared to the one in the nozzle tip. So you see, it took me almost like less than 3 minutes to get this all over my hair, but have to be make sure that the color is well spread out. I'm going to apply more of the bubble product. So make sure to massage it into your hair, even though you feel that there's product. It never hurts to put on more, in my unprofessional point of view. So right now, the scent of it is really nothing much. Really happy and surprised that they have improved the products to this stage, because in the past I've used maybe L'Oreal, Revlon, Lise, and all of them gave off this very strong ammonia smell. But now I don't face any scent coming from this item. So I actually still have like 1/4 of the product left, and I'm just gonna pump everything onto my hair. So I'm just gonna continue massaging it, make sure that it reaches all of my hair follicles. So actually I still have a bit of the hair dye left, but I can see that my whole head is turning out to look like whipped cream, so don't think I can look anymore on top of my hair. Okay, so I think I'm done. It looks like this now. I'm either going to put on a shower cap if I can find one. If not, I'm just going to use cling wrap so that I don't lose any of the foam on the floor. So yeah, this is how it looks like now. A bit messy, but yeah, it's okay. So I'll be leaving this on for maybe 30 to 40 minutes depending on how my scalp is doing. So if it's okay, I'll leave it on for 40 minutes. If it's not, then maybe 35 or 30 minutes. So see you later. Hey, I'm back! Oh my god! Now after dyeing my hair, it has transitioned from orange to green. So I'm very shocked that I have green. So maybe the pigment of the dye is a purplish blue mixed with my originally orange. It clashes to become green color. So now I have green hair, and yeah, it's quite shocking. I think the color is not showing really well on the screen, but yeah, it's quite shocking that I have green hair now, and I had to change into a black t-shirt because the blue color and this green color contrast is killing me. So yeah, this is how my hair looks like now. I'm very shocked. Okay, so for the color, I was looking for something like that, ash brown, not ash green. It does have an ash color, but now it looks green. So yeah, nothing like this. I was hoping for this, something similar to this, but in the end I got green hair. I have a wakame on my hair, seaweed, a piece of seaweed, something like that. Then yeah, apart from the color, the cost actually I will give it a 4-star because I got it very cheap, 7.90 per bottle from Shopee. So it took around 1+ weeks to be shipped from Korea instead of purchasing it from Watsons. So Watsons I think is selling at maybe $15 when it's on sale. So yeah, by getting it on Shopee it's a lot cheaper. So next, ease of use. Actually, I'm going to give it 3.5 stars. I understand that it's in a foam format, so it's quite easy to be applied on, but then I find that it gets very messy, and then I don't feel very comfortable with just splattering the foam all over my hair instead of applying it by layer carefully like how I did for my bleach. So I'm going to give it only a 3.5 star. Then as for the scent, again, I don't smell anything from this hair dye, so 5 star out of 5. Then as for the results, I will only give it a 3 star. It got the ash color, but it didn't get me the brown color that I'm looking for. So yeah, maybe it's just my luck choosing the color. I keep choosing the wrong color for my hair dye, so it keeps surprising me. So now I feel like I have wakame hair and I'm like a emo kid. Then yeah, I think I can only wear black color for the rest of these few months. Then also for the packet of hair treatment that they give, I actually don't really like it. In fact, I prefer my other product that is made by EZN. I think it's called the Dr. Gu hair treatment. For that, I felt that when I mix it into the hair dye and then use it after dyeing my hair texture was a lot better than how it is now, but it's not very bad. Currently it's not very bad, but I can feel that it's drier. So overall, I'm giving it a 7.75 out of 10 for this hair dye. So again, I felt a tingling and burning sensation on my hairs, on my scalp. So I couldn't leave it on for 40 minutes. I only left it on for maybe around 30 plus minutes. So yeah, this is the result of the hair. So yeah, use it at your own risk if you have originally a more orangey hair color like mine. I don't think I'll be doing anything to my hair for the next 2 to 3 months. I'm gonna let my scalp rest in because I'm afraid that my hair will just start to fall off if I take my scalp for granted. So this is how it looks like after styling it. Now that I got used to it, I think it kind of looks okay. Then yeah, just that I need to adjust my eye makeup. I can't use pink color anymore, so I have to stick to neutral colors like brown. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm actually quite happy with it, but just really hope that it reduces the greenish tone, then I think it'll be perfect. But yeah, at least I got something ashy this time round. So yeah, that's it. That's my take on this Hello Bubble Dusty Ash color, and then hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for today. Bye!